How to prepare Khmer noodles.
Live to eat that. They used it to eat with oyster, raw oyster, but we can eat this with also with Khmer noodle. It is the old one we have it. We eat just only the young one. Yeah. This
It's from what
flour, but I don't know why.
What's this one? Yeah.
We call it Khmer. We call it ka snail.
Casnal.
Snail. Ka is the flowers. Snail is the name of the flower.
This one lotus,
Yeah.
and then cucumber.
Cucumber.
This one.
I don't know in English, but here that we eat with oyster. Cà thong thịt.
Katumpe. Khmer noodles.
Nôm bánh chọc.
Nôm pan.
Long pan chop.
Nôm pan chok.
You know the meaning bánh chọc?
Miat dong.
Long
You go can. No bánh chọc it means treat.
Treat.
Like that food I treat you something.
Long pan is bread, right?
Nôm bánh is bread.
This one long pan chop.
Nôm bánh chọc. Bánh chọc is
Oh.
treat you. And just add more.
Tick tick only. Yes, tick tick up down.
Okay, and then we have put in soup.
Soup. Turmeric.
Yeah, before this we make this because it is fish meat. We need to make it first.
Is it the same that I tasted before when we come here? Or different?
Maybe you carry last time.
Mm.
Yeah.
Smells like curry.
Yeah. Okay.
Smells like curry.
Curry?
I'm sorry. Nhấp nhấp em bay.
Nhâm
pan chop.
Nhấp pan. Okay. Akon siya.
Yung noodles sila dito, pre. Gawa sa rice.
Ah, rice noodles pala. Pag ito kinain nila, wala nang rice na iba.
Thanks for watching. Follow for more.